Hey everybody, today is Saturday, and I'm sorry I've not done a video in 2 weeks. I've just been really busy. We've been chopping cutting. This is the last field of first cutting. Sorry I didn't get much footage. I got a new drone, it's DJI Spark. This is not our chopper. We borrowed this chopper today. Well, anyways, if you can hear me, this is not our chopper. It's a neighbor of ours, a friend's. It's a 7850. They let us borrow it for today because our choppers broke down in the field. It got vandalized. Someone came in last night and loosened the oil filter, so when he turned it on, there was no oil behind it. But when he started revving it up, it started spraying out things, and then it started beeping at him, and then he shut it right off. And it was a little too late. It's all seized right up. So we had to borrow. This is the last field of it. It's like 4 p.m. But anyways, so thank you to our neighbors who's letting us use this. We just had to finish up with the 7850, and ours is a 7350, so it's quite a bit bigger. So thank you to them. It's a massive machine. But anyways, this is all hay. The cows are out in the pasture. The dry cows go out to the pasture. But yeah. So we're chopping this field. I rolled and cultipacked a bunch. Like, we had 80 new acres of seeding. I had to cultipack it 2 times and then roll it after they seeded it. Our seed and fertilizer company in Afton, New York, they come out and seed all of our seeding and stuff. My dad's packing bulk with the 9470R, and so yeah, this is a massive rows on this one, but that machine can handle it fine. The thing's massive. Ours would be dying down on these rows, but yeah, it's in the field seized all up because it got vandalized last night. Yeah, kind of sucks, but at least it was the last day. Like, he just started, he turned it on, he moved it forward just a little bit, turned it on, it seized right up. Like, it didn't even he only went 100 foot. He probably only went from where I'm standing to the pole. And then it just died right down on him. It's kind of crazy. We're trying to look into it. It's first cutting, by the way, too. We've had quite a few wet fields, but for as much rain as we've had, it's been pretty good for as much rain. He had to wait a couple days to mow this, but because it was so wet, but it's solid now. There's my uncle, Matt, in the Freightliner. Jake's in the chopper. My dad's in the packing tractor. But yeah. Sorry I've not done a video in so long. I've just been really busy ever since that last video. After that last video, we got tons of rain for the next week. So I couldn't do a video that whole week. And then the next week, we've been busy in the fields. Because we've been low on guys and it's been a pain. Get some action of it.